up guys, Adrian Amro here with another video for 911 Gadgets. This is another unboxing and a quick tutorial and a quick little info video for the laser machine. If you guys haven't seen it yet, I have a bunch of videos where I'm removing the iPhone 8 back glass, the iPhone X back glass, and there's a long video of an unboxing and a quick demo of the laser. For those of you that haven't got the laser machine and you're kind of just scared of buying one because it's a lot of money, fear no more, because you can get it straight from me. This is exactly how you're gonna get it, just like this. It's pretty heavy. So don't be scared, because you guys have my support. I'm not going to steal your money. I'm going to show you guys some screenshots of people who already bought machines from me. And you guys should feel safe because I'm not going anywhere. As you guys can see, I'm always here for you guys, you know, for training, for anything. So the big difference between buying from me and buying from one of those bigger wholesalers is that I have a Facebook group that you get instant access once you buy the machine from me. And also, you can use a hammer for this, but I'm just gonna use this. I train you on how to use the machine the right way. So a lot of people use it for the back glass removal. I give you tips and tricks on that, and also you get, you know, that Facebook group. You can always ask questions or you can call me directly. But a lot of people like to use this machine for the laser engraving, you know. Now that's a hot market right now because many people like the you know, the customization that you can do. You can engrave on the phones, on the metal phones, the aluminum phones, on the cases, on the glass. And not a lot of people know how to turn the images from Google into vector files. So the laser machine needs vector files in order to engrave the nice nice high quality and sharp images onto anything, you know. I teach you how to turn pictures into the correct file format so that you can engrave portraits of you, your family, your loved ones. And I teach you how to make logos into vector files very easily. And you guys can make a lot of money doing that too. Now I give you guys a 1-year warranty. I give you guys lifetime support, customer service, and tech support by me. So when you guys have an issue, you guys just call me, you know. I take care of it myself. I don't outsource to anybody. And what else? Your money is safe with me, man. I'm a legit business. It's a corporation, and as you guys all know already, I train people how to open cell phone repair shops. With me, you get the machine within 3 to 5 business days. I'll update the tracking to you within 12 to 48 hours of payment, and from there, it's only 3 to 5 days. I asked some other companies, I acted like a customer, and I asked them how long it takes, and most of them, if not all of them, said it takes 4 to 6 days to get the item ready, you know, your machine, and 3 to 5 days for shipping. 3 to 5 days for shipping, that's kind of a long time, and that's because they probably have such a high demand because they're such big companies. So we only take 12 to 48 hours to track, to send you the tracking info. We do ship internationally, so wherever you are in the world, just message us. I'll leave the information on the description, or check out the website 911gadgets.com. The laser machine is in there, the fume extractor is in there. If you call me directly, you know, we can probably negotiate a better price, you know, depending on how you're gonna pay. I'll show you some screenshots of people who've paid through either Zelle, bank transfer, or PayPal, credit card. So just feel safe, you know, with me. If you have any questions, give me a call. Let's go ahead and open it real quick and show you. This is what it's gonna look like when you guys get it. It will be coming through DHL, straight to your door. Alright guys, there we go. Come on, come on, come on. Alright, so this is very simple. I'm just gonna open it real quick and show you guys quick setup. This is the same machine that you can find at Rewa and M Triangle. Okay. So you guys can see it's the same exact one. So a lot of people always ask, which machine is it? Guys, there's only really one machine in the market. It's the same exact one. There's only one factory. Here it is. Now, I could have put my logo on it, but I did it for you guys. I'm not putting the logo because I don't want it to take 3 to 5 to 6 days just to get it ready for you all. I went in here and I just left it as is, and you guys are about to see it. Because I care about you guys getting your machine fast. I don't really care about using you guys to spread my brand, you know, because you guys already know who we are, and that's how we're gonna grow. And like I tell everybody, let's grow, you know, let's grow together. So, all right guys, so this is what you guys don't want to grab. You don't want to touch this here. You don't want to touch this, or you don't want to grab it from here either. You want to try to grab it from this solid piece or this back solid piece, you see? Or definitely just from this base, okay? So let's see if I can show you an angle real quick. So here it is. I'm gonna set it on one of these chairs and show you how portable it is. I was actually on my way to a fire station to fix the back glass for a firefighter, but he got a call, so he's gonna call me back tomorrow, and I was gonna take it because he cannot come to my office. You see, I was just gonna put it in my car, and I usually do that. I just put it in my car, and I'm driving, and it looks like I have R2D2 in my passenger seat. And I go do laser demos, and I show shops, and it's very portable actually. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna grab it. So grab it from here, from the top, and then there you go. You see that? This is how you want to grab it. You don't want to touch that other part I told you about. Let me just get this other stuff out of the way. Let me get this. You got your power cord. These black things that I just took out, they're just black paper. You use it to calibrate the machine, you know. There's a red laser light, like a red light that comes out, that you want that to match with the laser, and I'll show you guys that in my other videos. And real quick before I forget, guys, I'm gonna show you some of the people that have already paid, and so you guys don't feel like you're gonna get screwed. Here's a quick screenshot of somebody where I'm telling them to pay. I don't know if you can see that. You see? $23.50. He got the fume extractor, and he said got it. He put a little flexing arm. Can you see that? So that's one. That was 2 days ago. And then the most recent one was through credit card, which was today through the website. Some people just really don't, you know, they feel safer if they do it through their credit card, so that they have a trace or a track record. Everything's traceable. And here it is. You got that M Triangle logo on there. This is the part where I'm telling you that I could have my logo on there, but it's gonna take longer, and I really don't want you guys to wait any longer. So it's the same Gen 2 machine. This is the part where if you start grabbing it from up here, you know, this thing will get bent, and this thing will get stuck. This one is perfectly fine. Don't grab it from here. Grab it from how I showed you. So here's the machine. This is what it looks like. Brand new, 1-year warranty, lifetime tech support. We'll see you guys later. I'm tired.